Okay.
Alright, dual action scouting report, me and Braden here. Wilfredo Valenzuela, we're getting in game 1. I'm pretty sure these are mistagged from Lemoyne because I know he's harder than 75. Mid to upper 80s, excuse me, left-handed pitcher. Wants to attack, really likes to be arm side, as you can see kind of here by his splits, is going to want to be arm side. I think with Wilfredo, we faced him pretty much every year. We've had decent success against him just as far as wins and losses, but he's a really tough pitcher. Guy wants to attack. He's very athletic coming off the mound. He has a very good changeup. He's striking out a ton of guys this year. I think with him, we want to attack the ball. We want to make him get the ball up in the zone, and when he does, we want to make him pay for it. This looks like a freezing cold day up in Felician, one of the fields they play at. So it could be why it was mislabeled, but I do know he's firmer than what the video is showing here. Hides the ball really well. You can see kind of stabby arm action. Here's the changeup coming off of that. When he has that changeup working down in the zone, he's really tough on hitters. So again, I think our approach needs to be get the ball up in the zone and attack the ball up. We're going to have to really grind this one out. He threw a complete game, one hitter against Dominican on Tuesday, 9-inning complete game. So this is his second time going this week. We're getting him on the back end. We'd like to get on him early, not let him hang around. Again, it's a 7-inning game, so our goal needs to be get a lead early for KD and continue to tack on.
What day?
Nothing.
Why is your team black?
This isn't our team. This is Lemoyne. This is a scouting report for the boys, so they can watch video on this guy. No clue who we're getting in game 2. Best guessed Nick DiCarlo, transfer from Wagner. Crossed over time, I believe, while Johnny was there. Low 90s right-handed pitcher. Everybody's had him kind of 90-92 this year. Going to attack with the fastball. This is video from last year. A lot of intent. Kind of has a similar delivery to Roberge from SNU, who we faced earlier in the year. Wants to sink into that back leg and drive. Tries to live down in the zone. Here's the slider. Back foot, literally back foot. Fastball heavy guy, going to really attack. You can see we're let's see, 33 pitches into this outing, and all we've seen is fastballs, one slider, and here's his changeup. Oh, that's a nice stadium. Been there. I don't like this view as much. Let's try to go back to the Bryant footage. Now again, this video is a year old, but it does look like he kind of lives in the middle of the plate and does a good job getting arm side. When he tries to go glove side, it seems like he yanks. But if we face him in game 2, we need to just look to be on the fastball and adjust off of that. It's got enough velo to it that we got to respect it, and that seems to be primarily what he uses. Another guy that struck out a ton of guys so far this year. I would assume he was going to pitch against Dominican the other day, but they didn't play the back half of their doubleheader, so I would guess that we're going to get Nick DiCarlo in game 2. Either way, both of these guys, 7-inning games going up there today. We need to get a lead early and continue to tack on.
Go Bucks.